butternut squash. Let's tackle this. First, cut off the base to make it stable. Like with any other hard vegetable, use the heel of your knife, not the tip. Cut off the other side. And now we're going to cut it in half, which could be very tough. So you want to put the heel of your knife, use a towel, put it right on top of your knife. This will protect your hands in case it slips. You're not going to cut yourself. And now you're going to press down. A butternut squash can be peeled with a knife in a circular motion, or you could use your peeler. Now the butternut squash is peeled. I want to point out that the top does not have any seeds, but the bottom thicker part, it has seeds inside. For the top part, I'm going to show you how to do a dice. Steady base, go straight down. If you feel there's too much resistance, don't be afraid to use the towel again here. Start by scoring and then use the towel to push down. When you see it is unstable, put it down where you feel comfortable. So let's do half moons. For the dice, we're taking the slices and just go straight down to square it off. You could use this or use it as mash. This is the exact same procedure like we did on the potatoes. If it's too difficult with a peeler, use your knife and go around. Now lastly, I'm going to cut this straight in the middle. And right here you could see the seeds. You will use a spoon to scoop them out and proceed in any cut that you like.